Hi others. Today is Sunday and it's a lazy day, as you can see from Boris and Babs. She's even too lazy to scratch herself. Okay, well, I didn't feel much to go into my atelier today, but I did it anyway, and I made a mess in 5 minutes again and used a lot of stuff and splished and splashed with paint, whatever. Um, but it learned me something too, because didn't want to do it, but I did it anyway. And afterwards, I felt like, well, I accomplished something, even if it was a mess. But I love making a mess, so that's a good thing. I wish you a great Sunday. Hope you accomplish something too that you feel fulfilled about. And last thing I want to ask you is give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. And then last thing I want to say is I see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.